here we come to the elevator in the another building here on the Pima Community College downtown campus in Tucson, Arizona. I believe this is also a Dover. Capacity 2,500 pounds. This is elevator number 1. I believe we have an ADA compliant phone. EPCO SurvivorPlus, Vandal resistant fixtures. Very nice cab. I believe this was installed in the 90s, but it could be from the 80s. Let's go up to 2 again. This thing is awesome. Door closes when you push the button. I like that. Inspection certificate. Very nice motor. You can't really hear it over the fan though. It's got the DMC controller. Ring the bell one more time. Love the mechanical bell, and there it goes. And that's it.